Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class I am going to explain you Revision Test B Mathematics paper. The syllabus is Polynomials, Quadratic equations, Similar triangles and Trigonometry. You can see the total time has given here 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so 3 hours 15 minutes is the total time is there. And what is the question here? The first section is, this is one more questions. The first two question here given a matching. So we have x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 has, so no zeros, only 1 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay, so if you divide into factors, so by dividing a factors we can decide, otherwise using discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so here in this b is minus 5, that is you can compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so here b is minus 5, so you can write here minus 5 whole square minus 4, and in the place of a we have 1, that is x square coefficient is 1 and c is 6. Okay, so just if you multiply, minus 5 square is 25, minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24. So you got answer is 1. If it is a positive number, then you have 2 zeros for this. So the first one is 3. Okay, and next x square minus 6x plus 9. So here b value is minus 6 whole square minus 4, a value is here 1 and the c value is 9. So 6 square is 36. So this is called discriminant. I am finding the discriminant. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36 equal to 0. When b square minus 4ac value is 0, then you will have only 1 0 because of equal zeros. So equal 0 means you take here only 1 0, that is option 2. And for third one is b value is minus 2 whole square minus 4ac, 4 in the place of a, that is x square coefficient, that is 1 and c is 3. Okay, so minus 2 square you will get 4 and 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 12 equal to minus 8. So when you get a negative number, then you will have no zeros for this, so option 1. So I repeat once again, when b square minus 4ac value is the positive number, then you will have the 2 zeros. If it is a 0, then you will have only 1 0. If it is a negative value, then you will have no zeros. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So first one answer is B, option B you can see here. So you can select option B for first question. The next one is, what are the zeros of x square minus 1? Yes, x square minus 1 zeros. So what you do there, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then x square equal to 1. So x equal to root 1. Root 1 means you can take plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1, option B. The next question here, write the number of zeros the polynomial shown in the figure. So how many zeros are there? They are asking write the zeros of the polynomial, not number of zeros, zeros of the polynomial. And this graph is intersected here and here. So what is the values in this? But don't write minus 2 comma 0 0 or 2 comma 0. Your answer is just minus 2 comma 2. So this is the answer, that because the parabola is intersected at minus 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 0, you should take only x coordinates, that is minus 2 and plus 2. So the next question, do you say x minus 1 by x is quadratic equation or not? So we will check. Okay, x minus 1 by x equal to 0. Okay, so what we do here, we can multiply on both sides by x, because in the denominator x is there. You can try to multiply on both sides by x, then what you will get, x into x minus x into 1 by x. Okay, x into 1 by x is equal to x into 0. So x into x is x square minus x get cancelled, you will have 1 equal to x into 0 is 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0, so that it is a quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. Your right answer is yes, it is quadratic equation. Okay, right. And very important and very confused model this one. Okay, the product of the two consecutive integer 30. Product of two consecutive integer 30 represent the quadratic equation. So the product of the two consecutive integer 30 they give. So I am going to take the two consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. X and x plus 1, because consecutive means the number and its next number. For example, number you are taking 4 and its next number is 5. For example, a number you are taking a 5, its next number, its consecutive number is 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6, right? So the same way, if a number is x, its consecutive you can take x plus 1, and this they gave it is a 30. So just to multiply this one, the x into x is x square and x into 1 is x is equal to 30. So then you can write x square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. So this is the answer for this question, right? Okay. So the next question is so log 10 base 10, log 10 base 10, log a base a is 1, right? So log 10 base 10 answer is 1. The zeros of 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 mean, so you can check the process sheet, the process here. So this one also, one of my student, her name is Siddhika, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. So second one answer is this one. And the find the value of when x is equal to, then x plus y equal to 5. You can see here x plus y is equal to 5. In the place of x she has taken 2. So 2 by sending here, okay, by transposing, then 5 minus 2, then y equal to 3. So y equal to 3. So first one answer is 3, second one answer is 1, and the next one is 2. So option C is the right answer for this question. Okay, and the next question, the sum of the two numbers 40 and the sum of their reciprocal is 2 by 5. So represent this is an quadratic equation. So sum of the two number is x 40. That means if you take one number is x and its reciprocal is, you can take, sorry, if you take a number is x, then the other number is 40 minus x, because the sum of the two number they give 40. Okay, so Siddhika's answer paper also is there here. We will check that. So don't forget, the sum of the two number they gave 40. So one number is x, other number you take 40 minus x. So reciprocal mean 1 by x plus 1 by 40 minus x is equal, they gave 2 by 5, right? I repeat once again. You can check the question. Sum of the two numbers are 40 mean the two number x and 40 minus x. First number is x, second number is 40 minus x, right? So sum of the reciprocal they gave 2 by 5. That means how you take it? Like 1 by x plus 1 by 40 minus x, okay, is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get the answer. So I will show that one of the, that is Siddhika's paper here. So what she wrote. Okay, so this is the answers completely what she wrote up to here. So everything she wrote correctly. This is the exam paper. Okay, so given sum of the two number is 40, so let the two number 40 x plus 40 minus x. So given the sum of the reciprocal is, you can observe here, given the sum of the reciprocal is, so x plus 1 by 40 minus x is equal to 2 by 5. By simplifying, by taking a cross multiplication, 40 minus x plus x get cancelled. So she has that 40 by 40 x minus x square is equal to 2 by 5. So by taking the cross multiplication, 5 into 40 200, so 2 into 40 80x minus 2x square, right? So finally here, what's the equation we got? 2x square minus 80x is equal to 200. So by dividing 2 here on both sides, by dividing 2, because all are the multiples of 2 here, by dividing the 2, finally we'll get x square minus 40x plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. And the next one is, Madhavi walks 12 meters due to east and then 5 meters due north. How far she from the place started? Okay, so first she moves to the east, right? 12 meters, and then north. That's the question has given, right? East and north directions, right? East is 12 meters they give, and the north is 5 meters. So 5 meters north, and they're asking what is this distance, and you take this is ABC and use the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AB is 12 square and the BC is 5 square. So 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. Total it is 169. So AC square. Then AC equal to root of 169, which is equal to 13. So answer is 13 meters. 13 meters. Okay. Right. So 13 meters is the answer for this question. Next one, in triangle ABC, BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square, then the right angle. So if you draw the rough figure here, you can understand very clearly. So AC square given means this is the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse opposite side is, see, you can take this figure A, B, C. If you take like this, because AC is the hypotenuse here, so AC opposite is B. So at angle B having the right angle. So we write here angle B. Okay. So the next one, matching. Very worthwhile paper. Very interesting questions are given in this. So root of 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, it is sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta using identities. Okay. So root of cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot theta. The answer is first one, option A is the right answer for this. If tan theta is equal to cot theta, then the value of theta equal to, you know very well, tan theta equal to cot theta, theta equal to, or tan A is equal to cot B, then you can prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, right? And here given tan theta equal to cot theta. It's very simple question actually. At tan 45 and cot 45, the both result is the same. That is answer is 1. Tan 45 1 and cot 45 also 1. So if you want to prove this one, so you can take that theta plus theta according to this concept. So theta plus theta equal to 90, then 2 theta equal to 90, then theta equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. So if you want to prove, you can prove like this. Okay. So 45 is the answer for this question. Right. The next one. Which of the following statement is true? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Yes, it is true, right? Sin square A plus cos square A, first identity. Sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. So this one also true. So then, what's your right answer in this? Both P and Q are true. So this is 1 mark questions. Sorry, yeah, 1 mark questions. Now we will discuss what's the 2 mark questions has given. So first question here, P of x is equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus minus 3x plus 8. Find the coefficient of x power 5 and the degree of P of x. So what is your x power 5 coefficient? Minus 6. You should write answer with the minus 6. Okay. And the degree is the highest power here we have 7. So 7 is the answer for this question. Check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are the zeros of x power 4 minus 16 or not. Yes. So that is 2 power 4 we take here, right? Minus 2 power 4 minus 16 we take, because they gave x power 4 minus 16. So minus 2 power 4 is 16, 16 minus 16 equal to 0 we get. So similarly, if you take now plus 2, 2 power 4 minus 16, 2 power 4 also we get 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. So finally plus 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, right? Zeros of the polynomial. And the next question, ABC is isosceles triangle, isosceles right triangle at C, then prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Okay, so take C here, then AB you will get, right? And which is the right angle. So remaining 2 as usual, that is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so then AB square equal to AC square, and instead of BC we take again AC square. AC square is equal to 2AC square. So like this we prove. Okay, so AB square is equal to 2AC square. Right, attached to vertical pole. So 18 meters and 24 meters long has a stack attached to the other end. So my dear student, these all are almost all direct questions from the textbook. So direct question answers I will show them my student what she wrote here, so you can recognize from this. Okay, because if it is unknown problems then we can discuss, but already well known problems these are. Yeah, so this is the answer. And the previous question also what she wrote, you see that. So very step by step procedure. Given triangle ABC is isosceles triangle and RTB written, proof. So everything very neatly she wrote. Okay. And this is the question here. So 18 meters height, they gave 18 meters height, and here this is the wire length is 24 meters they gave. So again using the Pythagoras theorem. This is 8.4 exercise problem, this question also. From 8.4, from once again, okay, from 8.4 exercise problem, this one you can check the solution how to write using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I hope everybody you know very well this answer, because it's one of the most important for 2 mark questions. Okay, just you can check it. Right, write any 2 uses of the quadratic equations. So uses of the 2 quadratic equations, in your textbook you have the 4 points. You can go and then you can check what are the 4 points are there, but we can see here what she wrote. The shape of the satellite, the eye length of the telescope, the length of the spectacles, the path of orbits of the celestial objects. So this is one of the points she wrote. And next, when brake are applied to vehicles, the distance traveled by the vehicle are calculated by the using quadratic equations. Okay, so these are the points. You can check some many points you can find out from the textbook. And the next one is, yeah, this is very interesting question. Why does the value of sin x not exceed 1? Let's see what she wrote here. Yes, the value of sin x do not exceed 1, because we write sin x is equal to opposite of x by hypotenuse, which is proper fraction. Proper fractions won't exceed 1, and the range of the sin x is from 0 to 1. So sin x do not exceed 1. Okay, right. So this is the answer for this question. And what is the next question here? Is it right to say sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus n? Yes, this one also textbook answer directly. So you can take like for example, a equal to 30, b equal to 60 degrees, sin a plus b. 30 plus 60 is equal to, sin 30 plus 60 is equal to 90, that is equal to 1. And right hand side sin 30 plus sin 60 we take, that is 1 plus 2, root 3 by 2. So common denominator 2, so root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now both are not equal, right? So then we can say sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Okay, right. So what is the next question here? See, because of these all are the direct answers, so that I'm not taking that more time to explain. Already you know very well, because next month you have exams, so that I hope you all are know very well these questions. Only one unknown problems we'll discuss. Okay, so tan square plus tan power 4 theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta plus tan square theta. Okay, so you take tan square theta common from this both. That means you write tan power 4 like tan square theta into tan square theta you can write. Okay, and plus this tan square theta you can write like tan square theta into 1, because if you multiply by 1 you will get the same answer, right? I am going to take tan square theta common from this. Tan square theta is the common. Then you will have there tan square theta plus 1. So using the identities, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, then from this you get secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, right? So just by transposing this one here, otherwise you can get, okay, so from this again you will get tan square theta mean, that means if you transpose this one here you will get tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So instead of tan square theta I am going to take here this one, that is secant square theta minus 1, and tan square theta plus 1 here, that is secant square theta, right? Now you can multiply these two, secant square theta, secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta into 1 is secant square theta. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So one of the important problem from the trigonometry, so compulsory should practice this question. So that's it. 2 mark question, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, and 4 mark questions. You can see all the questions what they give. This is complete textbook questions. So 21st question you can observe P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3. Just by substituting answer you will get this. And x square minus 3. Next question, find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros in the coefficient, right? So this answer is example problem from the textbook. So this is the 21st question answer. If you want to verify, you can verify this. Okay. And yes, 24. This is one of the example problem from the textbook, and you can check it how she wrote and how she got the full marks for this question also. Yes, now you can check this graph here. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. That means we need to draw the graph and should find what is its zeros. So for this, let us see what she wrote here, Siddhika's this answer. You can observe it's very clearly. So she has taken one box here like this to write the values of x and y. So she has taken x is equal to 0 and then got y equal to 5, means by substituting 0, 2 zeros are 0 plus 5 is 5, so 0 comma 5 is 1 point, and then she substituted here 1, then she got here 7 because 2 ones are 2 plus 5 is 7, and the next one by substituting minus 1 here, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 3, 1 comma 3, and like that 2 minus 2 and minus 5 by 2 also she substituted. Because if you want to neglect this one, you can neglect. Okay, minimum 3 points you take, 2 or 3 points minimum. Okay, now using these 3 points when I'm going to check the graph, you see, so like that is 0 comma 5, 1 comma 7, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, so let us see how she drawn this graph. Yes. Okay. Okay, just you can see here. So 0 comma 5 is first point, right? That 0 comma 5 is there on the graph here. This is 0 comma 5 and 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 is the point here, and 1 comma 7 plus 1 comma 7, right? So by taking these 3, you can extend the line here, right? You can extend up to how much you want like this. By extending like this, and you will get the zeros of a that y is equal to x plus 5. So how can we find the zeros? When you extend it, you can find out this one. Here it is intersected the x-axis. So this is minus 3 and this is minus 2. Between minus 3 and minus 2, this is minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 comma 0. Then what is the zeros of the given question? Y is equal to x plus 5 mean, then you will get the answer minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so this is the problem, and let's see verification how she did for this question. So the zeros of y is equal to x plus 5, she wrote minus 5 by 2, and this is the verification. Okay, right, this is the verification. So that minus 5 by 2 is substituted in this, so then LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, right. So the next one is, you prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonal. This is 8.4 exercise question number 1. You can verify this answer. You can check. I know you almost all very well you know this problem. So how she wrote and what is the answer, you can check it. Right. So I repeat once again, this is already you know very well, so I'm not going to take more time to explain these questions. Okay, and question number 25, I think so most of you maybe you have practiced this one also. This is example number 12 from chapter number 8. Okay, so we can check the answers this one also. Yes, you can verify how she wrote this one. Just you can go through this, and otherwise you can refer example 12 from chapter number 8, one of the important example. Got it? Right. So the next question, question number 26, simplify secant a into 1 minus sin a and secant a plus tan a. So this is one of the question from 11.4 exercise 11.4, I think so, question number 7, right? Question number 7, and check the answer. So these all are textbook questions, so I'm not going to take more time to explain, just you can see this. So what she did, she used the distributive property here. She used the distributive property secant a into 1 secant a into sin a, secant a into sin a. So this secant a she wrote 1 by cos. After writing 1 by cos, sin by cos become, so sin by cos is tan, so secant a minus tan a, this one as it is secant a plus tan a. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So very easy problem this one, but given for 4 marks. Okay, next question. Yeah, this is question number 27, most important. Actually we can guess this question for 8 mark questions. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Directly textbook question, 11.1 exercise, question number 7, I think so, right? Question number 7. So check the answer, check this answer, right? Okay, so everybody, you practiced well, I think so, this problem. That's one of the most important problem, this one also. Yes, this is 100% confirmed question in the public exam. 28th question. ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then show that tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. Two models are there like this. One is in the example 12 and one is 5th problem from 11.3 exercise. So one problem is there like sin a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. Same model we need to prove. Okay, so check the answers for this question also. Yes, this one also direct problem, right? A plus b plus c is equal to 180, a plus b is equal to 180 minus c, and dividing on both sides by 2, then a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2, taking tan on both sides. So tan 90 minus c by 2 become a cot c by 2. Very important. Next questions are 8 mark questions. So graph given here, x square minus x minus 6, find its 0. Okay, so the graph process here. So she has taken like x and y and substituted some values in this and taken that values on the graph, then we'll get this graph in this model, right? So actually steps she wrote on the paper. Generally for graph you write the steps on back side of the graph paper. Don't forget, you write the steps back side of the graph paper. Okay, so if you want this graph procedure, it's take 15 to 20 minutes time actually to explain this graph. If you want this one, so the graph link I will give in the description, so you can go and check this graph link. Okay, how to draw the graph. And for this example they gave tan 48 into tan 16, tan 42 into tan 74. Once you check the question here, yes, this is a choice problem. So 11.3 exercise, question number 2, this one. Okay, direct problem. You can refer how she did it. Tan 42, she has written tan 90 minus 48, which is equal to cot 48. So tan 74 means 90 minus 16 is 74, right? So tan 90 minus 16 is equal to cot 16. And she substituted and cancelled, she will get answer. Sorry, she got the answers 1. Similarly, the next question also. Cos 54 is converted as a sin 36, sin 54 converted as a cos 36. By substituting on both sides, by cancelling, you will get 0. Very simple, actually 1 mark or 2 mark question this one, but given for 8 marks. Okay, next question here. Yeah, this is expected problem actually. Train travels a distance of 480 km. And it choice question also, you see the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. See, in the previous paper also, that SSC model paper, SERT model paper also I said 5.1 exercise we have only 2 models. Okay, 5.1 we have only 2 models. The 2 models are very important. It give minimum 8 marks to 12 marks, I said. Okay, so you see here both questions are given for this one, internal choice, the 2 8 mark questions. Very easy this problem, directly textbook questions. So if you want this 5.1 exercise, that 5.1 exercise also, I will give in the description. So just you can click it and open the link, and then you can practice if you have any doubt about 5.1. So full exercise is there. Okay, right. So the answer what she wrote, you can check. Yes, check it, this answer. So So this is the train problem. So time is equal to distance by speed. You can check this process. So 8 marks. Okay, but for this choice question you have only 4 or 5 steps. That's it, a small answer, but given for 8 mark this question. Okay, right. Next question is example 15 from 8th chapter. One of the important, I am expecting for the public examination either Pythagoras theorem or example 15. So both problems you practice very well for 8 mark questions. Okay, this is example 15. Similarly, for this choice question, you see ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, and BC is perpendicular, AC is perpendicular to BD. Then show that AB square is equal to BC into BD and AC square is equal to BC into DC. So this is from the Pythagoras theorem, but not a Pythagoras theorem. Concept is like Pythagoras theorem, but not a Pythagoras theorem. Only in the Pythagoras theorem, when you are proving there, like AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, you will take some conditions like AB square plus BC square, and then both you will join to get AC square, right? So they are asking only the 2 conditions, not the full process. They are asking only the 2 conditions, not full answer. Once you check how she wrote the answer, just you go and verify this. It's almost like Pythagoras theorem, but not a Pythagoras theorem. You no need to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Only the 2 conditions asked in this problem. That's it. Okay. So actually this continuation is there somewhere. Yes, this is the condition continuation of this problem. Okay, so once you can check it, this problem up to here. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. Okay, what's the process for this question, and then here. Okay, so she did not type papers are in the order, I think so, right? Okay, so the next question, a triangle ABC and XYZ, angle A is equal to angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that A equal to X. This is the trigonometry exercise 11.1 question number 6. 11.1 question number 6. Yeah, one of the important problem for 8 mark questions. Okay, for this choice you see it's compulsory question. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. If you don't know any problem this one, anybody this one, so please learn today only. This back-to-back question you can observe on my screen. These both problems are very important. That is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, 7 plus tan square a plus cot square. These are the problem from 11.4 exercise question number 7 and 10. Confirm 99.99% are confirmed for 8 marks. Out of these 2, any one question. Okay, so you can check the answer what she wrote. Yeah, this is 11.4 question number 6. 11.4 question number 6 answer. You can check it completely how she wrote. Okay, right, because these all are the well-known problem. That's why I'm not taking more time to explain. Just my target is 1 mark and 2 mark question. I will explain in all model papers or almost all the questions, but remaining 4 marks and 8 mark question you will get from textbook. But what are the questions are giving? You can verify that. Okay, that means whether you know or don't know that 4 marks and 8 mark question, you can check. If you don't know any problem and you can note down that question, you can practice well. Okay, and this is 11.4 exercise question number 8. Sorry, question number 10. Okay, but k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That's it, a small problem. Of course, it takes some length also, but she did it. It's a very simple manner, so it's very easy. Go through this one and practice very well this question. Okay, next. Yeah, she came to choice questions. We can see what are the choice questions are given. X square minus x minus 12. So graph this one. Yeah, here is the whole process what she wrote. Okay, so 4 and minus 3 is the answer. So that the parabola is intersected at plus 4 and minus 3. Don't forget to write the scale on the graph paper. Okay. Okay, maybe time is not sufficient to write these questions, because of course it is a 3 hour 15 minutes paper, but we gave only 2.5 hours. The examination only 2.5 hours we gave to write, so that I think so time is not sufficient to her to write the remaining choice questions. But question number 33. question number 33. It's very well known problem. It's very easy, very important for the 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So go through that problem well. And this example 15, that is a question number 31 is example 15. Only these 2 problems she didn't write. Remaining all are she wrote. Only these 2 problems she didn't write. That means I think the time is not sufficient to her. So refer from your class for these 2 problems. So that's the topic today. I hope you enjoyed well this model paper. All questions are very important. This question paper, all problems are very important. If you don't know any problem, just to note down and learn it. So tomorrow, maximum we will try to give tomorrow one more model paper, that is revision test C. So follow these model papers are well, and you check the number of questions, how many you can do, and you test it yourself, like out of 100 how many marks you can score with this paper, right? You test it yourself, and if you don't know any problem, you can practice. So definitely you will get, everybody will get the 10 points. So this is Sudhir, thanks for watching, see you soon.